Is the car that you're looking at actually suited for your lifestyle, or are you just buying into the marketing? That's where the guys here at GWN can really help you and guide you, because they know the cars really well, but they also take the time to listen to your lifestyle, and then they make the perfect match.
As mentioned by Melissa, we are As mentioned by Melissa, it's not just about a sale for us, but finding you the right vehicle. From ourselves, schools, Divine, our F&I, and my sales team, we look after what vehicle will suit your needs and what is best suitable for your family.
So there's a variety of our models of our Haval GWM.
Yana, what is your perfect match?
So I love the Haval Jolium Pro 1.4.
No, don't. The 1.4
Yeah,
what?
4.
Go. Yana. I'm here with Yana. Yana, please tell me, what is your perfect match?
So on my left, I've got the Haval Jolium Pro. That is super sexy. You just see it before you see the people inside of it.
Janai, wat is jou perfect match?
Ek sou sê my perfect match is natuurlik die GT vir enige sportiewe adrenaline junkie wat iets met bietjie spoed soek. So ek sê is die GT definitief die kandidaat daarvoor.
Okay, well, next up we've got Wimpy. Hoekom is hierdie so lekker?
So as jy soek vir luxury, reliability en 4x4 capability, kyk jy na die P300. Is 'n mommy's wagon om die kinders by die skool af te laai en 'n daddy's wagon om naweek te gaan visvang.
En ek sien hy is actually auto ook hierdie
Hy
ene.
is auto, dis 'n 9-spoed auto en hy's baie luxe, jy kan goed kyk. Kom aan boetjie. Here it is. Luxury, 4x4 capability, P300 is jou kar.
I'm looking for the perfect match for a retired couple here. Raymond, which one would you say?
I'll definitely say the Jolion City Plus. The reason why I'm saying that is because this vehicle is value for money. All right, for the cool... Okay, let's do that again. Melissa, if you want something cool,
Oh, very cool.
2, 3. Melissa, if you want to be the cool opa on the block, I've got something else. Jolion Pro, and this has got all the bells and whistles. So definitely this is for the cool opa, I would say. Yes, Melissa, perfect. That's what I would say.
We are here at Storm's perfect match. Speaks for itself.
Hallo julle, ons is hier saam met die P300 SX single cab bakkie. Soos julle kan sien, hier's genoeg spasie agter vir jou skoonma wat jy al kan oplaai en saamlaai.
Ooh, wat het ons hier Storm?
Hierdie is die H7 hybrid. Soos jy kan sien, Melissa, hy pas regtig by jou. Nie net omdat hy rugged genoeg aan die buitekant is nie, maar hy's baie luxe vir die vrouens aan die binnekant. Die mense wat wil luxe lyk nie, maar die mense wat wil luxe voel eerstens, jou ouer mense wat hulle kan veiligheid, peace of mind bied, as ook jou family first, wat hulle familie eerste sit.
Baie dankie vir jou tyd. Yeah, at GWM you can definitely make an informed decision. I don't know how you actually pick, but listening to these guys, they will guide you along the way. At GWM also.
Definitely.